Gortuithe, fáil mímis Gaeilge. Welcome back to fáil mímis Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish. Level A1, topic J. Rannóg san ospidéal. Ag díristeach Scríbhneoireacht. Level A1, topic 10, section 6, in the hospital, focusing on writing. Le múna, óla sa thuairt, faoi Tinneas nó faoi Gortuithe, ceist a chur dhuine an mhaíonn sin níos fearr agus an ceist sin a ragart. So, giving information about illness or injury, asking someone if they feel better and answering that question. Like an bhuíoch ospidéal uait don Scríbhneoireacht seo, you'll need the handout hospital for this activity. There's a link in the description box below to the handouts and the notes for the lessons. San ospidéal, in the hospital. Bhí timpiste agat agus táú san otharlan. Scríomh teacs chuig de chara Seán ag insint na rudí seo a leanas dó. So you had an accident and you're in the clinic. Write a text to your friend Sean telling him the things below. Cad atá, cearlaat, what's wrong with you? Cad a thorla, agus cajé mar atá tú anois, and how are you now? Agus sé an text, tá sé tosaithe go dit. So here's the text. It is started for you. Hi a fádrig. Text beag chun insint dit go raibh timpiste agan deirdín. So a small text to let you know I had an accident on Thursday. Nuair atá sé déanta agat, when you have it done, lay a méid a scríobh tú amach os ord. Read what you wrote out loud. Text talk. A bit of a tongue twister there. Rovely tongue twister. Dean iarach na girucháin seo a aibrú amach. Make an effort to figure out the following abbreviations. A, B, C. Agus anois na freagraí. A, bhí mé tin an teachtain seo caite. B, táim ag dul ann a nacht. C, is réalta tú. You're a star. Is réalta tú. Dean iarracht an abirt seo a scríobh i text talk. Make an effort to write the following sentence in text talk. Is tú mo réalta gan lucht. You're my star without a doubt. Bhí slideón orm an teachtain seo caite. I had a cold last week. An bhfuil tú ag dul ann a nacht. So pause the video and see if you can figure them out. Agus anois na freagraí arís. Is tú mo réalta gan lucht? Sé. Bhí slideón orm an teachtain seo caite. Bhí slideón orm an teachtain seo caite. An bhfuil tú ag dul ann a nacht. An bhfuil tú ag dul ann a nacht. Cúpla ceist, a couple of questions. Heol tú Teastas Eorpach. Did you ever send a text in Irish? Heol tú Teastas Eorpach. An gcuireann tú text talk mearl earth. Oh, gomaleiscail. An gcuireann text talk mearl earth. Does it confuse you? An bhfuil úna earth gonneantar giortha ar ocail sa Gaeilge. Are you surprised that they do make abbreviations of words in Irish. An bhfuil le héad de text talk I do cheanga chúchais, luigh cúpal sampla. Is there such a thing as text talk in your native language? Give a couple of examples. Like an bhuileog giúcháin uit den Scríbhneoireacht seo, you'll need to hand out abbreviations for this activity. Agus seo liste de giúcháin a nocht. Bear bua agus bannacht. BOI, by arm imacht or beg arm imacht, I have to leave. Cat, conas atá tú, how are you? CCBT, cén chuiúil tú? Cén chuiúil tú? Cadé mar atá tú? Cadé mar atá tú? And bear bua agus bannacht, good luck and take care, basically. Another list here, CGL, ceart go leor, okay. Tías an deire seachtaine. Fab, fiber bit, no problem, fiber bit. FMT, fehimehu, I will see you, fehimehu. GRMA, that's one everybody should know, Guramahagat, thank you. LCD, Lacuna of Day, with God's help or with the help of God, Lacuna of Day. List the father, a long list, LDT, Ledohul, please, Ledohul. MB, Míle buíochas, thank you very much, thousands of thanks, Míle buíochas. OMCS, Ihawa Kolasov, good night and sleep tight. R, or REV, Rev, past tense of V. SGF, Slán go fóill, bye for now. Gus cúpla ceann eile, TBO, tá brónarm, TFR, tá fáilte rót, V for V, and will for will, V, WIL, will. SN, seachtain, agus, and the 7 is the old Irish writing, the script. The word for agus looks kind of like a 7. Agus sinné, and that's it. And now your chance to practice using some of the abbreviations. Beg an bhuileog giúcháin agus text chaint ut don Scríbhneoireacht seo. So you'll need to hand out abbreviations and text talk for this activity. Buin úsáid as na giúcháin chun teachts a scríomh. So use the abbreviations to write a text or even a few. Giúcháin eile, beg an bhuileog giúcháin eile. Ut dan Scríbhneoireacht seo, you'll need this handout, more or other abbreviations. So, féach an text, look at the text. An féidir leat an text seo a léamh. Can you read this text? Take a close look at it, use the handouts to help you decipher it. Buin úsáid as na giúcháin chun é a scríomh amach ina iomlán. So use the abbreviations to write it out completely. Agus shahé John a chara. Míle buíochas as an deire seachtaine. Bhí sé dói. So many thanks for the weekend. It was fantastic. An bheiceadh mé tú ag an bob anocht. Will I see you at the pub tonight? Beg kosherán agus lacuna of day on wrong or fad. There'll be a party there and with the help of God, the whole class. All more, good luck, Sean agus Kimberly. Conna sa rairi lat, how did you get along? Bheadh an video cad is scrí leis uait an Scríbhneoireacht seo. You'll need the handout what is the meaning of it for this activity. Cad is scrí leis, what does it mean? Cad is scrí leis na gcéadúcháin seo. What's the meaning of these abbreviations? Scríomh amach in amláin iad. Write them out completely. An sin, is féidir leat úsáid as do nótaí chun iad a cheart tú. Then you can use your notes to correct them. Cad is scrí leis, what does it mean? Well, tá roinnt fiseán eile YouTube faoi gcéadúcháin as Gaeilge. So there are several other videos on abbreviations and texting in Irish on YouTube. Déan chuardach leo. Make a search for them. Féach what the focal le Kieran agus Learn Irish le Dane. You could look at What the Focal by Kieran or Learn Irish with Dane. Those are two channels that I know for sure have two videos. Agus sin dear le Rannóg san ospidéal, and that's the end of section 6 in the hospital. Ólas a thuairt faoi Tinneas nó faoi Gortuithe de chuirghine an mhaíonn sé níos fearr agus an gceist sin a raigart. Hopefully you get a chance to try out some of those text abbreviations. Berbua. Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacinta.com. Direct links will be in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil a scríbhneoireacht. So many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for permission to use the learning resources on their website. Tá súlagam gur bhaint sibh Tinneas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.